Assalamualaikum, I am Bahirah with two of my friends Zulaikha and Dakai will share some information related to Ibnu Khaldun. Ibnu Khaldun, or his full name is Abdul Rahman Ibnu Muhammad Ibnu Khaldun, was born on 27 May 1332. Ibnu Khaldun was a Muslim historian famous as the first systematic theoretician of the social, economic, psychological and religious forces that determine human history and society. He was born in Tunisia into an aristocratic scholarly family that had lived civil for Northwest Africa almost a century earlier. He received a thorough education customary among the Muslim middle and upper classes. The greatest Arab historian, Wu developed one of the earliest non-religious philosophies of history, contained in his masterpiece The Muqaddimah Introduction. He also wrote a definitive history of Muslim North Africa. He died on 17 March 1406 in Cairo, Egypt.
As for contribution, Ibn Khaldun's best-known work is Muqaddimah, which preserves an early view of universal history. Some current philosophers see the work as the first work dealing with the philosophy of history and social sciences. He held many positions, serving with numerous kingdoms in North Africa and Andalus. He is an Arab cultural and literature activist. His literature studies with Sheikh Muhammad Bar in Tunisia sharpened his poetic capabilities. Ibn Khaldun's poetry skill is evident in his work Al-Muqaddimah when discussing Arabic poetry. Ibn Khaldun is also recognized as the father of Islamic economics for his rational and practical economic theory thinking. Ibn Khaldun espoused various economic ideas and philosophies like justice, hard effort, cooperation, moderation, and fairness. He underlined that fairness is the backbone of an economy's strength.
About values, Ibn Khaldun was also famous for his noble personality and being a role model to human beings. He was a diligent seeker of knowledge. Ibn Khaldun diligently studied various sciences of Fardu Ain and Fardu Kifaya since childhood. Although he was busy with various administrative matters, it did not stop him from diligently seeking knowledge. He wisely divides his time for the community and seekers knowledge. Next, Ibn Khaldun was also a leader. He was once the highest official of the palace and the chief justice of the country. The position was handed over based on efficiency in administration as well as the ability to submit ideas for the progress of the country. Lastly, he is also a creative person. Ibn Khaldun thought in his work Muqaddimah Ibn Khaldun was born as a result of his experience and creativity to highlight history as a separate field of knowledge.